Hi everyone, this is Cyrus from AIML and my concept video topic is number system. First, what is number system? Number systems are the techniques to represent numbers in the computer system architecture. Every value that you are saving into or getting from computer memory has a defined number system. Computer architecture supports following number system. For example, we are dealing with the computer, it only understands certain language, that certain number system, that is binary number system, octal number system, decimal number system, hexadecimal number system. These are the 4 types of number system. For example, if we take the human beings, we can easily understand the decimal number system. Like that only the computer understand the binary number system. So let's enter into the conversion among bases. That is different conversion between these number system. For example, decimal to octal, octal to decimal, decimal to binary, binary to decimal, and binary to hexadecimal, hexadecimal to binary, and hexadecimal to decimal, and octal to binary, binary to octal. And there are different conversion in this number system. Let's see. Let's remember this table. This is binary, this is decimal, this is binary, this is octal, this is hexadecimal. Here 0, 1 up to, in this decimal we have up to 15. In this binary number system only 2 numbers will be there, that is 0s and 1s. In octal we have up to 17, but after the 7 the 10 should be there. This is the thumb rule, we have to remember that. And the hexadecimal in this we have up to 9, and from 10 decimal number it is start with alphabet A, and for 11 it is B, for 12 it is C, for 13 D, and 14 E, and similarly 15 F. We have to remember this table to get perfect in these conversions in the number system. First, we will deal with this binary number system too, and another number system. Digital computer represents all kind of data and information in the binary number system. In digital computer, the computer can only understand the binary system, binary number system. And in order to understand this, whatever we are giving input, it will convert the given input into the binary number system. So it is very important to understand whatever we are giving the input to the computer. Binary number system consists of 2 digits, 0 and 1. Its base is 2. This is radix. Base is 2. Each digit or bit in binary number system can be 0 or 1. Binary to decimal conversion techniques. For example, if you want to convert the binary to decimal conversion, the given binary we have to multiply each with 2 power n, where n is the weight of the bit. What is meant by weight means the weight is the position of the bit starting from 0 on the right side. For example, if you take here one example, 101011, starting from here right side bit 1 into 2 power 1, 2 power 0, and 1 into 2 power 1, 0 into 2 power 2, 1 into 2 power 3. And after this, add the each bit value, that is 1 into 0, 2 power 0 plus 1 into 2 power 1 plus 0 into 2 power 2, and so on here. Then we will get this decimal number, that is binary to decimal. We have converted this into binary to decimal number system. Here, binary to octal conversion techniques. Group binary digits in a 3 bit starting on right side, convert to octal digit. Here, in order to convert the binary to octal, we have to divide this in easy manner. We have to divide this given binary into 3 values, that is 111 and 010 and 110, and this one is single. If we take this 111. This means 111 means 7. 010 means 2. 011 means 3. 1 is 1. So we can simply convert to binary to octal in this if we divide this into 3 bits. Each of these into 3 bits. So we can easily convert to binary to octal. Otherwise, we can also convert. First, we have to convert to binary to decimal. Then after decimal to octal. After getting the decimal, we have to divide each with this again 2. So we will get this number system. After converting from binary to decimal, we have to convert this decimal to octal, means we have to divide. We have to divide that into divided by 8. So we will get this octal conversion. Next, binary to hexadecimal conversion. In this also same, but here we have divided the into 3 bits. Each group into 3 bits. But here we have to divide into 4 bits. 1011 and 1011, and we have to divide each into 4 bits. So we'll get this 2BBB. What is mean by B? Here we have seen that after the 9 we have alphabets starting with 10. 10 means A. 11 means B. Here you can see 1011 means 11. This value is 11. So 11 will represent into hexagonal as B. Here also you can see 1011 and again 11. It is B. And here you can see 010 means that is value is 2. So in order to convert to binary to hexadecimal, we have to divide it into 4 bits. So we will easily convert to binary to hexadecimal. Otherwise, we can also convert binary. First, we have to convert binary to decimal. Then after decimal to hexadecimal. Next, binary to decimal conversion. Here with one example, we will see. Here 101011. Here given, we have to start from right side bit. That is 1 into 2 power 0, and next bit 1 into 2 power 1 plus 0 into 2 power square plus 1 into 2 cube plus 0 into 2 power 4, 1 into 2 power 4. Sum of all this value will get the decimal number of this binary number. Next, binary to octal conversion, and we have to as we have said earlier, we have to divide for octal. We have to divide each into 3 bits. Here 111 means 7, and 010 means 2, 011 means 3, and 1 is 1. This base 8 represent the octal number. This base of the octal number is 8. For hexadecimal it is 16. Binary to hexadecimal conversion. Here before we have converted here we have converted into 3 bits. No, here we have to convert into 4 bits. Here 4 bits. Then this means 1011 means 11. 11 represents B. 1011 11. It represents B. 10 it is 2. Next, octal number system. Octal number system is the base 8 number system and uses the digits from 0 to 7. This number system provides the shortcut method to represent the long binary number. The number after 7 is 10. As we have discussed earlier, after the number 7, there is no 8 here. It is 10. The number after 17 is 20, and for so forth. Octal to decimal conversion, we will see with one example these conversions. Octal to decimal conversion. Here 724 is the octal number. So we have to convert it into decimal number. In order to convert it into decimal number, we have to start from the right side bit. 4 into 8 power 0. What it mean by 8? 8 is the base of this octal number. So we have to multiply with 8 power 0 and 2 into 8 power 1 plus 7 into 8 power 2. The sum of these values will get the decimal number. And octal to binary number. In order to get the binary number system, so we have to divide the each value 705. 705 Here 5 is the value of 101. Binary number of 5 is 101. 0 value is 000. 7 is 111. Combining of all these values is the binary number of this 705. Next, octal to hexadecimal number. Here we have to remember that whenever we'll get the hexadecimal, we have to convert to hexadecimal. We have to group the bits into 4 values. Here 1076 is given as octal number. So 1076 is the what is the number? What is the binary number of 6? 110 and 7 111 and 0 000 and 1 001. So after getting these, we have to group the bits into 4 values. 1110. 1110 means 8421. 8421, that means 84. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 is the value of E. E is the value of 14 in the hexadecimal number. Here 0011, that means 3. Here the value of 0010 is 2 and the base is 16. As the hexadecimal base is 16, we have to here represent to get to know this is the hexadecimal value. And next to decimal number system. Decimal number system is the base 10 system and use the digital from 0 to 9. Using these digits, you can express any quantity. It is what we most commonly use. Decimal to binary conversion techniques divide each bit by 2. Keep track of the remainder. First remainder is bit 0, least significant bit. For example, we will see with some example here. In order to convert from decimal to binary number system, the given number should be LCM by 2 because 2 is the base of the binary number system. That is, there are only 2 values will be present. Either it is 1 or 0. Here you can see 125 is LCM with 2 and we will get these values. 1, 2, 6, 2, 6 are 12, 2 to the 4 and the remainder is 1 and 2, 3 is 6, 2, 1 is 2 and the remainder is 0. So we have to write from bottom to up. So we will get the binary number of this 125. In order to convert the decimal to octal conversion and 1, 2, 3, 4 and the base of the octal number system is 8. So we have to LCM with the 8. So we will get 2322. Decimal to hexadecimal conversion, as the base of the hexadecimal is 16, so we have to LCM with the 16 of these 1, 2, 3, 4 value. So we will get the 4, 13, 2. What is meant by 13? 13 is represented in D in the hexadecimal number system. Next, hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal number system is the base 16 and use the digits from 0 to 9 and A to F. This number system provides shortcut method to represent long binary number. Unlike binary and octal, hexadecimal have 6 additional symbols that is used behind the conversion, one found in decimal. Hexadecimal to decimal conversion techniques. Multiply each bit by 16 power n. As this is the base of hexadecimal is 16, so we have to multiply each bit from right side with 16 power n, where n is the weight of the bit. What is meant by weight of the bit means the position of the bit starting from 0 on the right side. Let's see with one examples. Hexadecimal to decimal conversion. We have given here A, B, C. Here C into 16 power 0, B into 16 power 1, A into 16 power 2. What is meant by C? In hexadecimal value, C means 12, B means 11, 10, A means 10. So 12 into 16 power 0, 11 into 16 power 1, 10 into 16 power 2. Sum of these value will get this decimal number system with base 10. Hexadecimal to binary conversion. 10 AF. Here 10F is given. F means what? 16. Am I right? 16. A value is 10. 0 is 0, 1 is 1. So combining of all this value will get the binary number system, binary value of this 10 AF. And hexadecimal to octal conversion 1F0C. As we know, C is the value of 10, 11, 12, and 0 is the value of 0 only. F is the value of 16. Am I right? F is the value of 15, sorry. 1 is the value of 0001. Combining of all these value will get the, and here in order to convert this octal conversion, we have earlier discussed that we have to group it into 3 values only. If we want to convert to octal to hexadecimal, we have to convert into 4 values, so we'll get easily. In order to convert from hexadecimal to octal, we have to group the bits into 3. Here 100 and 001 and 10011100110. 100 means what? 4. 00 means 1 means what? 1. 100 4 1117001110. And we got this value 017414 is the value of octal with base 8. As the base of the octal number is 8, we have represented it into 8. Yes. Thank you.